Hello again. In this video we will talk about the zebra print feature. This feature is used to print specific layers according to the user's desire, using different materials and different heads. Through these boxes, you can specify the number of the head to be used for printing, and you can specify the number of layers to be printed by entering the number below the head you want to use. Moving to zebra cycles, this option is used to specify the number of repeats of the full cycle. For example, if you choose to print one layer using head 2 and 2 layers using head 4, you can repeat the full cycle, which is 3 layers, by simply changing the option in zebra cycle. Next is zebra layer height. Easily you can specify the layer height by using this option. Z-start is where you can set the height of the first layer. Moving to Z-end, we will have two options here. If the zero value of this option is not changed, printing will continue until all layers specified above are completed. If the number is changed, the printing process will be stopped when a value greater than or equal to the desired number is reached. For example, if the number is 3 mm, printing will stop if a height of 3.01 mm or greater is reached. Moving to start temperature. If the zero value is not changed, a cold printing process would take place without any temperature control. If the number is changed, the thermal printing will be done using the entered value. If you want to change the temperature while printing, all you need to do is change the number in delta temp. If the zero value is changed, the temperature in each layer will rise by the specified value. If the zero value of this option is not changed, printing will continue until all layers specified above are printed using start temp without any changes.